How to play YouTube in background on Android. Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you guys how you can do the background stream on YouTube. So let's just jump right in. Background streaming on YouTube is not possible through the app because you will need the premium version to use YouTube on your background. So what you're going to do is open up your web browser and then simply head over to youtube.com. Once you do that, press enter and you'll land on your YouTube homepage. Now once your YouTube opens up on your web browser, all you have to do is simply tap on the three lines at the top right and enable desktop site. What this does is it will allow you to play YouTube as if you're playing on computer so that you could use other tabs while playing any video. So let's just go ahead and play any video right here. Let's just tap on the first one and start playing it. And once you start playing the video, you could just go to your background and the video will keep playing on the background. You'll find it on your notification section. As you can see, if you tap on this play button, the video will keep playing. You could also change the length of the video as well from here, and you can pause and play the video from here as well. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically play YouTube on background. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.